Guys, today I just wanted to go over a few things about graphing lines. Okay, so I have two examples here for you. So the first one here is y equals a negative 2/3 x plus 2. So you can see that this is already in slope-intercept form. It's already in y equals mx plus b format. So let's identify our slope and our y-intercept. So our slope here is going to be the negative 2/3, and our y-intercept is the 2. So our y-intercept here, that is always our starting point. Okay, so it's a y-intercept, so I'm starting at 2 on the y-axis. So we need to put the dot on the y-axis. After that, it's a negative 2/3. So this is a rise over a run. And since it's a negative, that means I'm going down to right 3. So I'm going to start at this point here again, and I'm going down 2, 1, 2, right to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm putting dot. I'm going to do it again. Down 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 over, and I can keep going. Okay, I can also go the other way. I can go up 2, to the left 3, up 2, left 3, and keep going until we're all the way, until we're all the way to the edge of our graph. Okay, once you have that, you can draw your line, making sure that we put arrows on each end, and we are good. Okay, moving on to our next one, 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. So you can see here, guys, this is not in slope-intercept form. So we need to do some work here before we can actually graph it. So if I have my equation here, the goal is to get it into slope-intercept form. So I need to get the y by itself. So my y is going to stay. I need to move everything else. So I need to subtract my 2x first. Bring down your 3y. Now remember, these here are not like terms, so I can just put them next to each other. Okay, after that, the 3 and the y are connected by multiplication. Opposite of multiplication is division, so I need to divide each thing by 3. When I divide that, I end up with a y equals negative 6 divided by 3. If you put that in the calculator, is negative 2. Now, this is the part where a lot of you guys were getting a little bit tripped up. Negative 2 divided by 3. If you put that in the calculator, it's going to come out to be a decimal. You need to hit your math button and press enter 2 times. Once you do that, it's going to say negative 2/3, and don't forget your x. Okay, now that we have that, we can actually go and graph slope and y-intercept. My slope is a negative 2/3, and my y-intercept here is negative 2. All right, so this equation looks very similar to our last one. The b is always our starting point again, so I'm going to start at negative 2 on the y-axis. Okay, right there, negative 2. And my slope is negative 2/3. So again, that means down and to the right. So I'm going to go down 2 to the right 3, down 2, right 3, and I'm going to continue that. And then again, I can go the other way, up 2, left 3. And connect your dots. Okay. All right, guys, so there's your quick overview of graphing. Your job today now is to go into Google Classroom and complete the Desmos activity that is there. Some of it is graphing in slope-intercept form. Some of it is going to be asking you to get things into slope-intercept form and match things up. So go ahead and guys, and you can do that. Make sure you submit all your work. Please let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.